Here I just show that cos 2a is equals to 1 minus tan square a all over 1 plus tan square a. Let's get into it. A brief knowledge, you know that cos 2a is equals to what? Cos square a minus sine square a. And this is all from trigonometry. And this all over what? All over 1. Hope you can take this like this. This cos 2a is equals to cos 2a all over 1 is the same thing. Okay, let's solve it together. For this like all over 1, hence that will be equals to what? We take this part to prove and come out with this, therefore left hand side to prove the right hand side. Okay, or you can take the right hand to prove the left hand side. That is a mathematical proof. Okay, that will be equals to what? Cos square a minus sine square a all over 1. 1 is what? Cos square a plus sine square a. Oh yeah, that's amazing. That will be equals to what? Tan square theta is equals to what? Sine square theta all over cos square theta. Okay, hence we can divide at this point. That will be 1 minus tan square theta sine square a all over 1 plus tan square a dividing by cos. Okay, just put the square a on all sides. We are going to be having this as your answer, QD. Okay, let's proceed. We are having 2 cos 3x minus pi on 3 is equals to a cos 3x plus b sin 3x. Solve for a and b. Okay, solve for a and b. This and this are equal or almost equivalent, and you're asked to solve for a and b. You know from trigonometry that what? If you have cos a plus b is equals to what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay, coming out here, that is why we put square directly. Okay, and if it's cos a plus a, that is 2a, that will be equals to what? Cos square a minus sin square a. And what is that for sin a plus b? That is sin a sin b minus cos. Oh, sorry. Sin a cos b. That's an error. Cos b minus like cos a sin b, something like that. Okay, here it can be plus and minus. It's plus and minus. Okay, okay, here's plus and minus. Let's solve this one. You have 2 cos 3x minus pi on 3. You can express this as what? We can put the 2 outside. That is cos 3x cos pi on 3 plus. Okay, here is plus, here is minus. If it's minus here, we're going to be putting plus. Like in this case, we have a minus here. That is cos a minus b. We're going to invert this point. That will be cos 3x cos pi on 3 sorry, plus sin 3x sin pi on 3. Okay, from here you can equate equivalent part. You have, let's just use a notepad pen. You have this cos 3x, there's a cos 3x at this point. You have sin 3x, and there's a sin 3x at this point. Hence you can equate the part that will be equal to, you take this 2 inside, that is 2 cos pi on 3 is equals to what? It's equals to a directly, and you have 2 sin pi on 3 is equals to b directly, and that is the answer to a and b. Therefore our a is 2 cos pi on 3 and our b is 2 sin pi on 3. Okay, that's amazing. Let's solve the next one, that is find the general solution of a root 2 cos 3x plus b root 2 sin 3x. That will be equals to 2. You have to find the general solution of this. Okay, it's a bit confusing. We can take out this root 2. You're going to ask me, why are we taking out this root 2? Because we can't find a general solution of cos and sine at the same time. Okay, and we were said earlier that a cos 3x plus b sine 3x is equals to what? Something. Okay, if you take out this root 2, you are going to find yourself having what? A cos 3x plus b sine 3x equals to root 2. I know some guys will just hesitate, you just move on and be substituting a and b and trying to solve something. Yeah, you can have the answer there, but we are using the shortest and fastest trick to solve any of these questions because we are running against time. Okay, that is root 2 is equals to this. Hence, we know that this one is equals to something. That is what we had here. That is 2. That is 2 cos 3x minus pi all over 3. Is that real? Okay. We can keep our 2. Okay. Or we can put our root 2 here. That will be equals to 2. This and this can cancel. We are left with what? Root 2. Or we can just bring the root 2 on the other side directly. We are left with what? Cos 3x minus pi all over 3 is equals to what? 1 all over root 2. That is equals to root 2 on 2. That is just a proof. Okay, that is what we have. And for general solution, we know that for cos theta, comma, theta is equals to what? 2 pi n plus minus pv. And what is pv? Is equals to what? Cos inverse of theta, of this theta. Okay, in this our case, our pv will be equals to what? Cos. Hey, we are sorry, we made a very big error. For general solution, if you have cos theta is equals to 1, okay, our theta is equals to what? Cos inverse of 1 normally. Okay, that's the answer to theta. But if you're asked to use the general solution, there is a possible value that you can have here. Our theta is equals to what? 360 n plus minus pv. That's this pv. Okay, in pi we have 2 pi n plus minus pv, and pv equals to what? Cos inverse of theta of this value. Okay, there is one. Usually we made error saying theta, cos inverse of this value equal to the cos theta, or cos inverse of cos theta. You can directly say cos inverse of cos theta for this equivalent case because this is equals to this actually. Okay, for a general formula, you can just say cos inverse of cos theta since we don't have the exact value of theta. Okay, hope you understand why you are saying that, because cos theta is equals to this. Okay, in our case, our cos theta, we can consider this as our theta. Okay, therefore we have 3x minus pi on 3 is equals to 2 pi n. We use the pi because we have already a pi somewhere. 2 pi n plus minus, what is our pv? Cos inverse of root 2 on 2. We just punch on the calculator. That is cos inverse of 1 divided by root 2. That is 45. That is equals to pi on 4 plus minus pi on 4. Therefore, our 3x is equals to what? 2 pi n plus minus pi on 4 plus pi on 3. Okay, therefore our x is equals to 2 pi n plus minus pi on 4 plus pi on 3. All this divided by what? By 3. That's our answer. This final question. In our general solution, we need the possible values. We can, where n, you can just say when n belongs to set of real number that is from 1 to infinity. Okay, we come to the end of this amazing video, like solving this amazing proof. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give me that +1 subscribers. Share with your friend that will be enthusiastic about mathematics. Subscribe, comment. Everything. I would like to get a comment of maybe your name, who are you, I don't know, your country, something like that. If you feel free, join my community, just drop in the comment. I'll add you there. We are together to the end. Let's make this channel go further to 1K subscribers and 4,000 watch time and so on, and get a big of success. Goodbye.